Hi guys, welcome along. Today I want to talk to you about motivation. What motivates you or your team? Okay, so I've got 4 motivation types to talk about, so let's jump in. Number 1 is the to-do type of motivation. So this person is maybe motivated by getting the next promotion or having to-do lists and milestones and deadlines to meet. So this person, you really want to motivate them by setting them out with project type approaches to work, where they've got, short, medium, long-term milestones and deadlines, and for each of those they've got a to-do task list, things that they can check off and feel like by doing each of those things they are making progress and feeling motivated. Type number 2 is the earning type of motivation. So this might be earning money. So it might be about earning money so that they can get their first house or go on holiday or do whatever it is. Or it might be about earning people's respect or earning a sense of self-satisfaction and praise from other people. So it's all about working really hard to earn something that is really important to them. Type number 3 is the being the best type. So this kind of person wants to smash records, to be in competition with other people, have targets to beat, and prove people wrong. So it's all about setting them massive, audacious goals and just getting out of their way and letting them get on with it, really, and really prove to everybody that they're the best at whatever it is that they're trying to master. And the third type is the big picture type of motivation. So for these people, it's all about serving their community or bringing about change or being enlightened, bringing about enlightenment. So that might be about learning or training or those kinds of motivations. Okay, so those are my 4 categories of motivation that I wanted to talk about. It's really important to think about motivation for yourself, what motivates you, and how can you ask for more of that in your job or for your team so that you can set out work tasks in a way that will really motivate your team based on what their preferences are. Okay, so that's it for today. If you have already decided what your type of motivation is, put it in the comments below for me, so down below. Or if you are working with a team, tell me about them. And if you like what you've seen today, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. Okay.